What is the Flavien Coton's equipment? You can search for the equipment of any player. Just type Flavien Coton equipment PingSunday. Then you will find all of the information. Flavien Coton is one of the most exciting young stars in world table tennis today. At the ITTF World Team Table Tennis Championships Finals 2026, he showed that he can challenge the very best players in the world. He impressed many fans after defeating Hugo Calderano, and he also pushed Wang Chuqin to the limit in a thrilling match. For such a young player, his calmness, timing, and backhand quality are already world-class. Many people ask what equipment Flavien Coton uses, because his game is very special. He plays very close to the table, takes the ball early, and uses quick backhand pressure to dominate rallies. His style is based on fast transitions, aggressive flicks, and sudden acceleration. According to Donic's official player profile and the updated equipment information from PingSunday, his setup is entirely from Donic. His current racket setup is blade, Donic, relevant forehand rubber, Donic, Blue Star, A1 backhand rubber, Donic Blue Star A1. This is a very modern European attacking setup. The Donic relevant blade is designed for offensive players who like direct power but still need enough touch in the short game. It gives Flavien strong speed on counter topspins while maintaining control in quick exchanges near the table. The most interesting part of his setup is the use of Blue Star A1 on both sides. Many young European players use different rubbers for forehand and backhand, but Flavien chooses the same rubber on both wings. This shows how balanced his technique is. He wants the same feeling from both forehand and backhand, which helps him switch directions very quickly. The Donic Blue Star A1 is especially effective on backhand. It has strong catapult, good grip, and a medium throw angle. This makes it excellent for modern backhand play. The rubber helps him perform fast backhand topspins, banana flicks over the table, and aggressive punch blocks. For players who like to attack the serve immediately, Blue Star A1 is a strong option because it gives enough speed without losing touch. That is one reason Flavien's backhand looks so dangerous in the opening rally. Watching Flavien Coton in London 2026, it is clear that his equipment matches his playing style perfectly. He is not relying only on power. His strength comes from timing, precision, and his incredible backhand initiative. With the Donic relevant blade and Blue Star A1 on both sides, he has built a setup that supports fast, close to the table attacking play. At only 18 years old, Flavien is already proving he belongs among the top players. After his performances against Hugo Calderano and Wang Chuqin, many fans now believe he could become the next big French star, following the path of Félix Lebrun. His future looks very bright, and his equipment is definitely worth studying for any offensive player who loves backhand pressure and fast table play.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.